Grabe, once again, Blue, palapakan po natin. They're finally home, baby! Wow! Yan ang pagsahod, welcome home. At tulad ng sinabi ni Staco, ang dami namin kwento na dapat natin pag-usapan. No? Welcome home, and again, congratulations sa inyong very successful world tour. Palapakan po natin ang meaning. You girls make us really proud. Alam mo, sa dami na nangyayari sa inyo, hindi nyo na-realize siguro no, na coincidence last year, June 28, 29, 30, nangyari ang first ever Universe concert nyo. Could you say that as well? Diba? And now, tingnan nyo lahat ng mga blooms namin na nandito. Just for you, so blooms, can you help me? Can we greet our girls? Happy Beaniversary on 3. Yes! 1, 2, 3! Happy Beaniversary! We love you so much, girls. Sa isang taon, ang daming nangyari. Ang dami niyong napuntahan, ang dami niyong narating, literally and figuratively, and now you guys are here. But before that, ang daming gusto kong magsabi na congratulations sa inyo. Lahat ng mga blooms, including our bosses who are here with us. I just want to say thank you to Nita Cory, to Direk Lauren, who's always there, to Sir Roxy, Miss Jeannie, maraming salamat. Papalapalakan mo namin our friends. Really appreciate you guys. Okay, pero before we talk about yung nangyari sa the world tour, may napansin kami. Kasi totoo naman, there are a billion reasons why we love BB. A billion and one vocals, visuals, your humility. Kaya nagagawin namin kayo at kasama rin dyan yung mga kasuonan nyo. Diba? Sobrang trending. Okay, let's talk about your outfits right now. Sobrang kagaganda. Can you tell us more about that? Let's start with you, Staco.
May huli ba kayo kung anong representation natin? Ang dapat magkakaroon ng Miss from you. So my outfit is inspired sa Las Vegas. Of course, Viva Las Vegas! Sila yung Vegas kasi full of performances, yung mga outfits ng mga girls, yung mga boys na mag-record sila. So parang fiesta, parang cool music and fun. So yeah, that's me. I'm Vegas, baby.
You're Vegas, baby! And you say it like this. You're Vegas, baby. Alright, thanks so much, Stace. Let's go with you, Aya. Thanks so much, Aya. How about you? Master Joe. yung favorite saying ni Joanna eh. Bahala na si...
Okay,
But
guys.
the outfit is, I think, Statue of Liberty, and that is...
And New York!
Okay, thanks so much, Mika. Okay, Khaled. Phoenix.
Canada.
Canada. Okay, thank you, Khaled. And, Toy. Lumapa.
Of course, our home, Pilipinas!
So your outfits are the countries you visited, diba? Especially the Philippines. But now that you brought the Biniverse to the world, kumusta naman? Kumusta naman? Pag-usapan natin yung sinasabi actually ni Stacy na ang dami yung kwento patungkol sa naging tour niyo. And girls, we miss you so much. We've been seeing all of your posts. Kakibat ng pagkamis namin eh, yung pride of the Philippines. Diba? Dala-dala niyo ang bandera ng Pilipinas. Kaya maraming salamat for doing that talaga. Okay, isa-isay natin yung lahat ng mga naging tours niyo. Oo. Okay, inom ng tubig. Ano ko may nangyari eh. Alam ko sabi niya, teka lang, magsalita. Alright, habang umiinom si Glenn ng water, unahin muna natin mag-usapan yung first ever stop niya sa World Tour, which is in Bulacan. Bulacan? Okay. Can you tell us more about that, Glenn?
Okay, I will tell you. Bulacan! Okay, let's start with the Philippine Arena. Of course, super unforgettable the Philippine Arena kasi first time namin mag-concert doon and pinino ng blooms! Thank you so much. Grabe, naalala ko lang talaga sa Philippine Arena yung pressure, kaba, excitement, joy, halo-halong emotion for that concert, especially nagpe-prepare pa lang kami. Yung, kasi 360 yung stage namin, tapos yung hydraulics, yung sleigh, yung extra challenge for me kasi may fear of heights ako. Tapos everything was
When nagsisimula pa lang.
Jet lag ka.
Yes. Kasi mas mataas siya doon sa isa.
Yes.
Diba? Mas mataas siya doon kasi we need extra height. Kasi mas malaki na yung Pilipinas. Minsan pa naman natatakot ako. Pero, you know what's great about it, Therapy?
What is?
When you're all the way up there, lahat ng groups makikita mo. And it's full of love, and it's more than enough para ma-motivate kami. And ibaon namin yung love na receive namin for our girls.
Tsaka ang sarap ipagmalaki ng girls natin. Guys, Blues, first ever Filipino girl group to perform right there. Nakaka-proud talaga, diba? Okay, after Bulacan, months after nangyari, ang inyong Dubai World Tour. Kamusta ang mga ganaps ko?
Dubai, first country sa out of country. Ano po, may special place para namin ng Pilipinas.
Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan!
Kasi bakit na nauna? Dubai, may special place sa heart namin ng Dubai kasi years ago, yun yung first out of country na pinag-performan namin. Tapos ginawa ko, let's shoot. Kumain kami ng authentic Dubai chocolate and different pistachio flavored food. Tapos naka-visit kami ng Burj Khalifa and yung Dubai sinuot out kami ng grooms. Grabe, kaya alam mo guys kasi kung bago kami lumitan, I love food kami. But then yung welcome ng Dubai, sobrang lala. Kaya sobrang grateful kami sa Dubai.
Pinagkita tayo when you tell stories stories is full of enthusiasm. Parang, alam ko, ang tagal na nangyari. Pero fresh na memory because this is one unforgettable moment for our girls. Now, from Dubai, punta naman tayo sa London. I know kanina si Luel ay nagbigay ng kanyang accent, di ba? Sheena, pwede bang pasample ng British accent over there? Gusto na ba yung loops? Mabilisan na British accent.
Okay. Liz! How about you? How's Edmund? Did you guys miss us? Yun yung maintindihan na. That's it.
Naging local ka na rin doon, ha? As a British Roman. Okay.
It's natural.
Natural talaga.
Nagtitipon na sa London ako. I don't belong there.
Yes.
Nakikinig lang.
Alam mo kung anong natural ba? Yung pag-arte mo sa MMK.
What?
Yes talaga. Napatid ba lahat nun? And thank you so much for sharing your stories. Marami kang na-inspire natin sa mga kapamilya natin.
Thank you to MMK for giving me that opportunity to inspire people. Thank you, Blue, for watching. Kaya kung hindi ba, muwi na.
Ginawang pelikula, now showing on.
Now, showing on.
It's 5th month na yata eh.
5th month na yan.
Yeah, okay. Pagod. Maraming salamat. Okay, now let's talk to you, Maloy. Ano ba yung ibang mga unforgettable moments sa London, Maloy?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. So, let me kwento about London. Yes, London, baby. Yeah. We went to London. Siguro, aside from the concert itself, syempre sobrang saya kasi hindi rin namin inakala na magkakaroon kami ng, of course, aside from Filipino blues, nakakita kami ng non-Filipino blues and it just shows na our music cross borders talaga. So, hindi ako makapaniwala na like mga international blues singing our songs. So, sobrang grateful. And aside from that, ang tagal namin sa London, mga 5 days kami. So, nakapag-visit kami sa mga tourist spots doon. And nakita namin yung Big Ben. So, memorable siya. And
Notting Hill.
Yes.
Yes.
And nakakain kami ng fish and chips na talagang tumatak sa amin. And ayun, sabi ni Joanna, pinag-usapan namin na every corner talaga ng London is picture perfect talaga. Like, parang ang sayo mag-romanticize ng buhay. Kasi ang romantic kasi every spot. So, ang sarap balik-balikan talaga.
And speaking of which, babalik naman talaga ang Beanie and you.
Yes, we will coming back sa August.
Yes.
Yeah, see you there, Blue!
Yeah, makita-kita ko
Hi!
tayo.
Hi sa mga nanonood ng Tagalog. And goodbye!
We're coming to you live all over the world. Siyempre, from UK. Thank you, Lloyd. Tumakbo kayo, papuntang Toronto. And speaking of takbo, kausapin na natin si Aya. Aya, how was your experience in Toronto?
In Toronto, masaya siya kasi the last time, yun yung last namin stop. And for our tour, it was our first stop. And ang galing lang kasi mas nag-grow yung rooms. We were in a bigger venue. And what's also fun fact, yung kasi yung first stop namin sa North America. And so, yung way namin after a tour, punta kami sa tour bus. But before we go to a tour bus, sa location kami, sa venue kami naligo. So yun yung first time kami na naligo kami sa venue. And then, parang kami nasa bahay na yung lahat nandun, yung makeup, kumakain, naligo. Yeah, super fun.
Tawag ka ng tatay mo. Sabi niya, hello po tayo. Grabe, no? And just imagine guys, tuloy-tuloy ito na nangyari. Walang balikan sa Pilipinas. As in, from one country to another. How do you guys do it? Hindi ba kayo nabago? Hindi ba kayo Paano ba?
Sleeper. Bakit ka lang?
May bus na kasama. Oh. Pero just imagine yung pagod, pero yung hirap, pero yung effort na ibigay ng mga girls natin just to give that experience sa mga blooms all over the world. That is much appreciated. Diba? Akala ko may sasabihin ko sa akin. Nakakagulat naman itong mga big girls natin. Pero great. Very professional. Okay. How about the Big Apple? Okay. Let's talk about the Big Apple. Master Joe. New York.
Yes, New York. Ako memorable yung New York sa akin kasi na-meet namin si Baby Davis. Yes, si Baby Davis po, 6 years old siya na lumalaban sa cancer po. So, nasa meet and greet kami noon, tapos, normal meet and greet, tapos may bata sumisilip sa amin from that door. Tapos, grabe, as in, grabe yung sa ulo ng lakad namin, sa ulo na kami, hindi lang as baby, sa ulo niya yung mga pangalan namin. And alam mo talagang bloom siya kasi while nagka-concert kami, sumasabay talaga siya sa mga songs namin. And she had her surgery, and successful yung surgery niya, brain surgery. Yes, and parang yung time na yun, parang nag-reset ng lahat. Ay, hindi.
Hindi natin sure.
Tapos parang nag-isip kami yung, nag-isip lang yung moment, parang hinambol ako ng moment na yun, na talagang may mga bata naglulukok sa akin. Yes. I love you, Jo!
Sometimes, sometimes we see all these performances very glow up and very trendy. But girls, we're here to remind you your music heals. Diba? It healed most of the blooms right here. We enjoy your music at dahil sa inyo. And talaga nakapagpatuloy kami sa buhay. Kaya maraming salamat sa this time. Patuloy nyo rin. I'm sure everyone had a great time, not just perform, but listening all the cities na pinuntahan nyo. Total of 15. Pero guys, para mas ma-enjoy natin yung throwback dun sa memory lane, bakit hindi natin bigyan ng pasalubong yung ibang mga blooms natin coming from all the cities? Diba? And on that note, I think may narinig akong gusto humingi ng pasalubong. Ito na. On cue. Here they are. May na pasalubong.
Nako, hindi ko naman sinasabi ako yun, pero para lang na, sarap. Welcome back,
Yes! Grabe naman. Maraming salamat mo for being here. Sorry. Kala ko galing sa mga Kuya. Ay, sorry. Yung buong lang kasi nagulat ako eh.
Effort yun, Kuya Ro.
Kasi si Mimi.
Wala effort ko.
Sorry. Siyempre, ladies and gentlemen, nakasama natin ngayong hapon ang pinakabagong love team ng ABS-CBN. We got Milo and Rito Jr. and Emilio Daes, a.k.a.
Hello!
Milo!
Girls, welcome back! So happy to see you guys. Actually, pinapakinggan ko kayo kanina, usapang pasalubong. Meron ba kayo para sa akin?